Now you got to know one thing about this lock, which is unusual compared to most. If the battery goes dead, you have a key override. So there's no external jump spot to power it in case the batteries go dead. You do have a key, so it comes with a key. Let's say the battery's dead, we can't get in. What we have to do is put the key in, turn it till it depresses. It'll go in that little bit, and then we can turn the knob to lock it, unlock it. And to get it back out again, we got to make sure we're right side up to pull the key out. The problem is if we're upside down, the key's not going to come out because it's upside down. So you got to put it to there and pull the key out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.